What's up guys, how you doing? Today we have a phone unboxing. It's been a long time since I did a phone unboxing, but hey, let's go back to the roots. We have today a budget phone that is actually have a unique type of spec, a new type of processor. Let's take a look at the spec from as you can see from here. So this is from Alcatel. It's called Alcatel 1S and released in 2019 around February. Though this phone has some unique things. It's very cheap. It has a very nice spec for the given price. So let's take a look at it here. We have 5.5 18:9 Full HD plus IPS display. We have it's a 4G LTE. CPU is octa-core. They didn't actually mention the name of the CPU because it's it's different. We'll go to this later. We have a rear camera of 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel bokeh. And we have a front camera 8 megapixel. The memory is 32 gigabyte of ROM and 30 gigabyte of RAM. So you can have the 64 gigabyte and 4 gigabyte of RAM if you want to upgrade it. But this is what I have from here. Also, it comes straight with 9 Pi. So Android 9 Pi straight up when you root in. It's nothing that promises that's going to be there soon. No, it's in the phone straight away. This is really great. It has a face key, I think it's like face recognition, fingerprint, and it has a protective screen. So let's quick look at here. So we have it's 8-core CPU, 3 gigabytes RAM, 16 megabyte in camera. Is really good actually, 5.5, and it's actually very lightweight. So this is really great, guys. This is it, Alcatel 1S 2019. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. So let me just throw this thing out. Just give me a second. So the stickers here are really tough, sometimes you need fingernails or maybe something to cut it for you. I usually forget to bring my rainbow knife from the kitchen, but I'm gonna do it old school way, man. Come on. There you go. Sorry if we keep you waiting. There you go. You open it up. All right, so let's go and see what we have here. Typical pulling here. That's the phone. It's kind of light, so that's a good thing. It's good for a long period of gaming. I'm gonna test PUBG and do other stuff, heavy testing, just to see how good the CPU is. We have a screen. We don't have a screen protector. No. What is this? We have the SIM ejector tool. We have the stuff over here. And what else? We have a sticker, face screen, like front screen cover. This is really great. Want to protect your screen. We have a plastic, like that's plasticky thing on the back to cover your phone. We have a charger over here. Let's see how much it's gonna charge. And it is what it is. Okay, let's take a look over here. It says 5 volt 1 amp, so it's not a quick charge. It's not a quick charge, just a normal charger. But for the given price, guys, this is really a very valuable purchase. Let me just say that. No, it also comes with the earplugs, as you can see. It's beautiful because it is actually supporting 3.5mm headphone jack, and also the USB, micro USB, because the phone is a micro USB. Is it USB Type C? Let's take a look. Micro USB, guys. So there you go, guys. So it's kind of light. It's really nice. I really enjoyed this. So I feel that this is really great purchase for the money that you're giving. let's take a quick look at the I/O. On the top, headphone jack. On the right, on the left, sorry, nothing here. Okay, there is only the SIM card here, SIM ejector tool. Let's open up the SIM card and see what it looks like. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Hopefully it's like one SIM card and one SD card and two SIM cards, like combo. Yep, there you go for you guys. That's the 3 combo, and it's really nice for those who actually want to use it as a multitasking thing. So this is on the left. On the back, we have a micro USB and speakers. On the right side, we have a power button that is not textured, and volume up and down. On the top, we have the headphone jack, as you can see, and that's about it, guys. It's as simple as it is. So stay tuned for the quick setting, guys. If you like it, please like and share, subscribe, and see you guys later.